So a horse gets a very high energy and high protein diet. They need that kind of energy to perform. It's a high performance feed. So a trainer, various trainers have different, I would say, different ideas of feeding a horse. The base is always oats, because that's the best form of grain. That's the best grain that you can get protein from. So the base is oats. Now there are various things that you can do, like, so there are pre-packaged full feeds that are imported. We have feed manufacturers here as well in India who manufacture the feed. There are various brands, internationally renowned brands, that provide a complete feed for the horse. So all we need to do is open the bag, just put the feed in and feed the horse. So it's as simple as that. In India, because we have all the raw products very easily available and we have the manpower to feed the horses, a lot of trainers use their own formulated feeds. So the base being the oats, we use rice bran oil or a corn oil or an omega 369 oil to add as a complement to the feed. There is corn being given as a source of energy and starch. There is soya, there's a full fat soya that's used as protein. We have, then obviously every trainer has their own. Some trainers feed carrots, some trainers feed beetroot, some have, some desi old medicine. They'll give some haldi, they'll give this, that and the other. So everything is just formulated to maximize the performance of the horse, and see, every horse will not enjoy the same feed. So you need to sort of mix and match a little bit here and there. You need to tweak the horse, tweak the feed a little bit for a particular horse. There are what we call light eaters, picky eaters, so they need to adjust their feed accordingly. So a lot goes into the nutrition, and it plays a very important part, a factor in the performance of a horse. If the horse eats up, that's one of the classic signs. If a horse is happily eating up his feed, we know that he's happy. If a horse is leaving his feed for whatever reason, we need to figure out why he's doing it. It could be for various reasons. Maybe the work is getting to be too much for him. Maybe he does not like the flavor of the feed. Maybe he's feeling the heat. The weather is hot. He needs more water. He needs electrolytes. So there are a lot of things that a trainer needs to look into in terms of nutrition. The easiest part being that if you just have a horse that adapts to a pre-packaged feed, then everything is there. You have the corn, you have the soya, you have the proteins, you have the electrolytes, you have the salts, you have everything in that. All you need to do is just open the bag and just feed the horse. And the horse is usually fed 2 or 3 times a day. Ideally, an ideal feed would be 3 times a day. Morning after work, there is an afternoon feed, and evening after their evening walk, they get fed around 7 o'clock in the evening. And they eat anywhere between 6 to 8 kilos in a day, which we spread out between the 3 meals.